Jeffrey.
Jeff.
Come on, dude. Open some presents.
Open. Here. Pull it. Pull.
Open the present.
Pull it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep pulling it. Keep pulling. Wow. Look at that. Is that what Grandma and Grandpa got you?
Alright, look at that.
Look at that. Right here, best sister.
Hi, sing and learn.
Ooh.
Hi, sing and learn with me.
Buddy, get off, Nick.
Merry Christmas, Nicholas.
Hi.
Hi, bud. What you doing?
Stars
What
shine
you
down
doing?
and big.
Hi,
Guess
buddy.
where?
What you doing, little guy?
Hi, sing and learn with me.
What do you think, little bud? There you go, Jeffrey. Here's another one.
You do that one.
Oh, this is for Nicholas, huh? You could open it, Jeffrey.
Jeffrey, open this one, baby.
Like this?
Open this one, baby. Look right here. Over here. Pull it right there. Right there. Okay, now put your finger right there.
This is for your little brother.
Ooh. Keep going, dude. Okay, pull here. Almost. Wait, stop. Keep pulling, dude. Okay, pull it off. Pull it. All right. Okay, open the box. Look what's in here. Ooh, some clothes for Nick.
Alright, look at all
Check it
that.
out. Pretty
All
cool.
kinds of stuff. Oh, I got here. Oh, wow. It's got a little sweater.
Alright.
Cool. Camouflage, too.
Wee-hee.
Sweet.
Alright.
Yes, Bob.
Thank you.
Oh, here you go, Jeffrey. Here's another one. Come here, bud. Let's give that back to Mommy. Here's one more. Here you go, Jeff.
Open this one, baby. Here. Here.
Circle stars.
Oh, you like that one, huh?
Just one.
He's like, I don't want to open it anymore. I'm good.
Learn.
Someone's making some action over there.
Learn with me.
Throw some heat. Jeffrey, here, look. Come here.
Nick, you going poo-poo?
Oh, wow.
There you go.
Oh, look at that.
A color pretty see.
What is that? Is that a truck?
Oh,
Sweet! It's a tractor!
Pull the back off.
Awesome.
Wow. He's gonna put him.
Oh, you're gonna like that, huh, Jeffy? Oh, yeah. I'm all over it, Dad.
And it moves too.
Sounds real.
It's motorized, lights, action, sound.
Alright.
Wow, you got a lot more presents to go through.
I know. Oh man, we're gonna be here forever.
I think that's when me and you go help him out.